Now, on the other hand, suppose we have a situation like this. The same point, this is R, this is theta 2, this is theta 1. Now you can see, if we take like this, what I should take?
minus 1 by 4.
No, we
Or,
should take this as cos, this angle you should take.
yes, sir, theta 1 minus theta 2.
Whatever is that, that will come first. Now this is theta 2, no, this will come first, this side. And this will be same thing. Understood this?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Now if theta 1 equals theta 2, then what will happen? This will be 0, no? E parallel will become 0, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed, sir.
Right. See, morning we are dealing with one problem. Here, this is the wire. This is total charge is Q, and this is having lambda. Now you can see at a distance of R, one angle. Now you can see this is on a point R. This point makes, this is theta is 0. The other end is theta is what? Pi by 2. Now, if we take this way, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda by R.
Cos 0 minus cos pi by 2.
So this is how much you got? Okay. And whereas this is E perpendicular lambda by R, that is nothing but, that means at any point you will be having one parallel component and perpendicular component. Everywhere that is true. So which components will balance? So sum of E perpendicular will become 0. Therefore net field will be only this. That is nothing but at every part it is distributed. Therefore, what is the force on that? Force on any element is dq into E. This is nothing but dq into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda by R. That is how much you get? F
Can
is
you move the paper little bit up?
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda by R integral dq. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q lambda by R. Okay. Is it clear?
Clear, sir. 1 minute,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Jasim is not there now.
He is there, sir.
Please doubt only I'm explaining. Morning we took some minus and that's why it went wrong. It came. Is it clear?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
So here on small direction, if it goes wrong, whole problem goes wrong. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Last line, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
So, in conclusion, the wire show force on wire actually this is the force on ring. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
See that I gave an equilateral triangle. Hopefully nobody have done that, I think.
Sir, I tried.
This,
But I didn't get the
no, the
answer.
same problem if it comes in the final exam, no? But that will become very famous question. Throughout about last year question. Hmm? So in the examination you will struggle. Right. Now let us come back to the centroid. See, what is this angle? Can you tell? Equilateral, no? This is 30, this is 30. This is 60, 60.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So will there be any parallel component?
No, sir. No parallel component. 60 minus cos 60 minus cos 60, 0.
Just now you have seen that angles are same, it will be 0, no? That
Yes, sir.
means E parallel will not exist. Okay. So only E perpendicular will be there. Now can you tell, suppose this is ABC. Now you can see for this BC, it will be like this only, no? Like this or downwards, can you tell?
Downward, sir, because negative.
Downward,
Downward.
sir.
Why? Because remember
It's
that
negative, sir.
this is a negative. This is EBC. Agreed? Now come back to
Yes, sir.
this. This will be what? Away, no? For this. This is positive,
Yes,
no?
sir.
This is
Yes,
EAC.
sir.
Similarly, what will be this? EAB. Understood this? That means all these are perpendicular only, no?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Parallel components are 0. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Followed.
Follow,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Magnitude wise. Now you can see this is point C. So if I take this as the y-axis, this is the x-axis, you can see that say this is some E you take. Okay. This is 60, this is 60. Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
So this is E. And one more E will be there. It is the third one. This is E cos E sin 60. E sin 60 will get cancelled. So what is the net E? E
Down.
in the downward direction plus E cos 60 plus E cos 60. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
These two
sir.
components will get cancelled now.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
If you sum up, you will be getting this as substitute this value. E is nothing but what is R? Can you tell? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Great, sir.
Followed the secret round. Any typical question comes, you're avoiding, and then how to get into good institutions?
Sir, the side of triangle is 2L.
LL. See, yesterday I gave this. See,
Yes, sir.
look at the question.
Yes, sir. Got the answer yesterday.
Finished this?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
You should apply all the concepts you learned, man. Struggle with the question. Don't give up so easily. Because next year, hopefully, by this time you'll be writing your advanced. This month end, June first week or May, that last Sunday of May, you'll have. I gave two questions. Two questions you are asking back to me again. Hmm? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that still you have doubt in this?
No, sir, clear.
No,
You
sir,
should,
no
you
doubt.
should observe carefully what you learned only I'm using. I'm not doing any extraordinary things.
Yes, sir, agreed.
Maybe you may not get if you do the direction some error like that. Have patience, recheck where you are going wrong. And don't ever think
1 minute,
thinking
sir.
about don't feel that if you fight with a problem, struggle with a problem, it's waste of time. Because the more you think about a problem, the more your brain will work. The logic will be wired actually. When you go out, you can easily come back by identifying how did you go. Because that whole image will be wired in your mind. So that will recollect and you'll come back home safely. Suppose somebody closes your eyes and takes you someplace, you cannot come back to your house because while going, your imaging process did not take place. So our mind always images. More on thinking, it will work out better. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I agree.
And one more question which I gave is the lambda, he says. Now, same thing, three pieces you break. For this, you have what is E parallel? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So this is R he has given radius, no? Lambda by R, tell.
0 minus cos 9.
And what is E perpendicular?
Sine 0 plus 190.
Agreed?
Sir, which angle to take first in the cos one?
This side, no? What is the
Yes.
angle it makes here? Theta is 0. Theta is
Yes.
pi beta. I was telling you that only, no? Now, for
Yes.
example, you take this part. This is theta equals 0. This is theta is pi by 2. So when you're taking like this, take E parallel. And this where this is perpendicular. Same thing you'll get. Agreed?
Agreed, sir, agreed.
Now you can see these two values are same, no? Upon calculations, what you are getting? Do you agree with this? That means due to these two wires, so net field will be 0, no? These two will get cancelled, this will be cancelled, no?
Yes, sir, agreed.
At point P, what will happen, man? Net field will be cancelled, no? Due to wires.
0. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
So you have only field is only due to what?
Arc, sir, that arc.
So suppose how do you take this arc bisectoral,
Yes, sir.
This is 45, this is 45. Huh?
Yes, sir. Agree.
The charge on this by R sin 5 by 2 by, remember this,
I got it. Yes, sir.
what is Q? Lambda into that length of that. What is the length of that? Remember this?
Yes, sir. Remember, sir.
This is the length of the arc, no? Understood this or not?
Understood,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
So simplify this. See how much you are getting. Easy only, no? I mean, doing this, you'll get IITs and AIMS. See the fun.
Easy, sir, but the direction is very.
That's what you sit, man. That's what you can earn money anyway. But education, knowledge is very difficult, no?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Complete this.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Right. So I think any more doubts are there? You can ask me. You can post that. We'll discuss. Right. Come back to this. It's a ring. It is negatively charged. So charge Q. Charge minus Q, sir. Okay. Now here you have plus Q. I want to know the electric field at point P. Understood this?
Understood.
See here, this is the question. Now here, to find the electric field, what you should do? Place +1 charge here. Now due to the ring, it will be attracted, no? Negative charge, no? E due to ring. Okay? Followed? And this is E due to plus. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
So this is nothing but due to ring, how much it will be? E due to the ring plus Q into E due to Q. Remember? Hello, any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Agreed.
So this is E due to the ring is how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qx by leftwards. This is nothing but do you agree with this or not? Followed this?
Followed, sir.
So this will be Q by
X squared. Q by X squared.
I can write like this now. Can I write like this or not?
Yes, sir.
So this will go x square this is nothing but do you agree with this?
Sir, that should be x cube over there, right?
X square will get cancelled, no? X will cancel.
No, sir, in the bracket, 1 plus r by x square you wrote.
X square I have taken.
Oh, sorry, sir, sorry.
You
I
do
thought
it, man. You do it, you'll be knowing.
Sir, in numerator x will be there, no? At minus I cap.
Why this x square could cancel, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed this? So this will get cancelled. Understood this or not? See. Is it clear?
One minute, Shanti.
See, sir, I know most of the people what they don't know. I know how to find the fields. I know everything in electrostatics will feel. In the examination, it matters the option which you have to choose. You may get till here. After that, how to land up at that answer, that is more important, no?
Yes, sir.
You are supposed to select the options he has given. There is no rule that whatever answer you get, it is acceptable by the examiner. For that, using binomial, rearranging, all that is the reason why I said practice means that only. Followed.
Follow, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that second step I don't understand, sir. We are taking escape command from there.
Hey, you do it, man. There's no rule that you have to accept what this one only, no? You know how to take common, no? I have taken x square
Yes.
common.
Sir, yes, sir.
I have taken x square common. Okay. Followed this?
Yes, sir.
This is no way connected with the question separately for your explanation. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
So we should practice these questions from HCM, sir.
Pardon?
From which assignment should we practice questions of electrostatics HCM?
It's your my gave some and I posted one file also, no practice questions.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Many are there in that. Once you get warm up, then I'll post resonance and all. Because last year I posted everything at a time and you left everything at a time. The faster I posted, the faster you left the assignment. Finished? Shall I go ahead?
1 minute, sir.
You have to spend lot of time to improve in physics front, man. Otherwise, it will be a problem for you. I can avoid all this and finish up physics, but there is no use, no? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Jassim is not there. Huh? That fellow asked the doubt again.
He is there, sir.
logged in and I think he's sleeping. Shall I turn this? Complete it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how to connect different versions. So this is one ring, charged ring. Now I am keeping a charge minus Q. What is the force on this?
One attractive force and other
No, force on minus Q.
0, sir.
Zero.
Do you agree with this? Therefore, center of ring is. Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Now from this position, suppose you displace this little bit. This is the displacement x. Then force will be in which direction?
Sir,
Force
towards
will be this way.
leftward, sir. Yes, sir. Left.
Because this is negative, no? Electric field is this side, no?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Negative charge move, experience a force opposite to this, no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the force it has? We agree with this? Followed. Now here acceleration is do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Now you can see A is opposite to X or not? X is very small.
Sir, A is not equal to F by M, no?
Here.
Sir, you wrote F by Q.
This one. Till here you followed?
Yes, sir.
I taken negative sign. Why? Opposite, no? So what will happen? So minus Q undergoes Do you agree with this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
One sec.
How to link each one I'm saying. So what is the time period? 2 pi by omega. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Excuse me, sir. What is that? Minus q undergoes simple harmonic motion.
If displaced by small amount from its equilibrium position. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Sir, omega square is 1 by 4 pi epsilon not q into q by mr cube. No, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir. Followed. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
See, did you receive any question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can you once study whole page?
Hmm? Shall I turn this?
So that is
Shall I start the discussion for the next problem?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Waiting. Sir, that is 100 volt per meter.
Yeah. Right. Now let's start the discussion for that. This is an inclined plane. The height of the inclined plane is given. Theta is given. So this is L obviously. Height is given, no? What is the height? 1.
1 meter.
Theta is sine 30. Now this is a particle, this is the electric field. Let's show the forces on that. The particle is positively charged or negatively charged? Positive. So this is Q. Positive charge will experience a force in the direction of the field. Apart from that, there is a normal reaction, right? So now this can be, if this is theta, this is theta. Q is sine theta. Do you agree with this? This is over, no? This is balanced. All values are no. What is the mass of the particle? 1 kg. What is the charge on the particle? Charge.
0.01 coulomb.
Then what else is there? E is also given. Okay. Theta is 30. So you will get this. Now you can see that the particle has a tendency to move. So there will be a force of kinetic friction. So what is the net force downwards? Do you agree? Do you agree or not?
Great, sir.
Agreed.
I'm just explaining the method of how to solve these problems. Mu k is given, I think, 0.2. Now when magnetic comes, it will be much worse then. So what is the acceleration? This force downwards by mass. So now you have time taken, S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is nothing but L. It starts from rest. Half into already you got the acceleration. So you can get, understood this method? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
It's better if you have a calculator, you can use that. Calculators are
G
not needed.
9.8 or 10.
Pardon?
Sir, G, we should take 9.8 or 10.
9 point, nothing is mentioned. G should be taken as 9.8 only. If you use a calculator, you'll get here. See, for the final exam, you don't need calculator because they give only one problem. So we are doing many problems, so definitely some calculation will be tedious. They prepare the paper such that there is no need of calculator. So while practicing at home, you can use a calculator. That's not a big issue. Conceptually, you should have that strength. That's all.
Both mains and advanced, sir.
Calculators are not permitted for the exam.
Sir,
No,
they
no,
will give
actually,
calculators, sir.
pardon?
Scientific calculators they will give, sir.
No. They'll be giving values needed. Take so and so value like that. Tan 12 is coming somewhere. They'll give take tan 12 as. You not bother about that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Totally, they need your logic only. When any examination that tests your logic, not memory. Memory part, board exam they'll use. The examiner tests how far you are able to have that logic and resolve a given situation.
Sir, but in KVPI exams, we have calculators that already in the screen of the computer.
Pardon? I didn't get.
KVPI exams, sir, we had calculators.
Where our MS college?
No, sir,
No, sir.
KVPI.
In the KVPI exam, we wrote, no, sir, that
KVP they have. Here in the numericals only they'll avoid calculator as far. They test highly logical questions will be there, man. Nothing. Only logic connected. Nothing related to memory. Those who memorize, they will be washed out in these exams. You can see when I am doing questions only, many varieties we are coming across. Complete this.
yes, sir.
Finished.
Yes, sir.
See the questions which I am posting, make a note in your notebook
Yes, sir.
because to save time I am doing this. See, I sent another question. What?
Yes, sir.
Shall I start the discussion on that?
1 minute, sir. Writing.
The first part he's asking, this is weight of an electron. Electron is negatively charged, no? So if the electric field is downward, it will experience a force upward, no? So for equilibrium, what you have, so you need this. This is 9.1, G is 9.8. Got this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
What he says is, there should be some other charge here, another electron, so that this force is E, no? Force on 1 due to 2. That's what is given, no? So this is nothing but E into E by R square. So this is therefore, they agree with this? Now this understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
You will get R. That's what is asking, no? Nearly 5 meters you will get. Got another question?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? Any doubt is there in this?
No, sir.
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. Complete.
Now, there is one charge here. You need the force at see where you need electric field, what you should movement tell. Wherever you need to find electric field, what we should do?
+1
Place
charge.
+1 Coulomb charge.
Then force on agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Substitute these values. RB minus RA. This is 6I. What is the mod of this? 6 square plus 8 square. 10, no? Understood this? Understood this?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Say, I posted another one.
Yes, sir. Received.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? You're following or not actually?
Yes, sir, we are for.
What is the problem? Shall I discuss?
1 minute, sir. Please wait.
See, when 4 electrons are removed,
Positive charge.
4, you know,
Yes, sir. Agreed.
A is how much? QE, you know. What is the external electric field 2? Understood this?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right, complete this. We'll meet tomorrow. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Take care then. Bye.
See you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Take care, sir.
Thank you.